Hello, I am Professor Kakade Ramesh Machindra from MBA department. Okay, so subject name is Service Marketing and chapter first Introduction to Service Marketing. So most important point of introduction to service marketing including that classification of service. That is classification service means we shall know the various types or classes of services. Different type of services need different marketing strategy. Okay, then including point is first on the basis of degree of involvement of the customer. So basis on degree of involvement of the customer. In that this category is based on the degree of involvement of the customer. Okay, so first one, people processing. What is meant by people processing? People processing means the customer has to be present at the place of delivery to experience or consumer the service, like a training workshop. For example, training workshop, dance classes, healthcare, etc. Okay, next one is position processing. What is meant by position processing? Even if the customer is not required, his position or property needs to be deposit of services like, for example, car servicing, repairing, laundry, etc. Okay, so next one is mental processing. What is my mental processing? That is mindset and mentally situation is the most important. For example, in this case the customer mental attention is required, if not physically presence, is not physically presence in order to experience service like career counseling, advertisement and education service, etc. Mental situation is the most important that all department. Then next one is information processing. What is in the information processing? In the case data, information, knowledge are granted and analysis the client. Okay, like research, studies, market survey and data processing, accounting, legal services and programming. It is a part of information processing. Okay, then next point of on the basis of service tangibility. On the basis of service tangibility means here the degree of tangibility, that is the tangible, has been taken into consider with the same number of classes. Okay, that is part. First one, highly tangible. What is meant by highly tangible? The service include physical product, highly tangible, for use during the contact period, like cell phone or house on rent. Okay, then service link to the tangible goods. What is meant by service link to the tangible goods? These are the granted guarantee or warranty period, okay, during which the seller provided free services to the customer like machine, mobile and other sector. Okay, so then tangible goods link to service. Tangible goods linked to service means here some physical goods are given to the customer as part of a service, like food with a train air ticket. Hotel management include morning breakfast and eating dinner, etc. So next one, highly intangible. What is meant by highly intangible? Here no product are offered a part of the service, like haircut, body massage and movie, for example entertainment, etc. Next, so next one is on the basis of skill, expertise and required. What is meant by on the basis of skill, expertise and required? The basis of the level of skill required to render a set of service, as that is part of first one, professional service. Professional service means high skill. This service required a higher level of the qualification and training to provide service. Qualification and training is a most important part of professional service, like doctor, lawyer, pilot, IT professional, etc. Okay. Next, non-professional service. What is meant by non-professional service? That is low skill service. That is low skill service. This service don't require any special requirement in skill, can be performed the anybody with some participant. Okay, like office security, guard and delivery boy, etc. Okay, so next one is on the basis of business orientation of the service provided. What is meant by on the basis of the business oriented of the service provided? The kind of service depend on the business style or oriented. For example, objective, purpose and aim, the organization. Okay, so first one part is commercial organization. What is meant by commercial organization? That is profit oriented. The main objective here is not make profit by the provide service. They do to all that is required to earn profit by keeping the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the most important, like that profit and service. So then non-profit organization. What is meant by non-profit organization? That is service oriented. Means the main objective here is to save the target client, okay, without any motive to earn any profit. That is BOP, break even point. Of course, money is needed for running such an organization, and that is the obtained from public donation, trust fund or government ideas. So this category include government bodies and also non-profit, no loss. Okay, cost to cost organization. For example, school, NGO, welfare society, and etc. organization example. Okay, so next point is on the basis of the type of end user. On the basis of the type of end user means service can be classified the type of consumer who consume them. So first one, consumer service. Consumer service means business to consumer. Okay, this is between the service provided the company, okay, and the include customer for this personal, like medical treatment and fitness treatment. Medical treatment and fitness treatment, it's a for example. Okay, so the next point, business to business. What is meant by business to business? This is between two companies, okay, like one company hiring another to do market research for it. That is business to business. Okay, next, industrial service. Industrial service means this is the case where manufacturing company, okay, buy service from service provided, like supply, commission and maintenance of the plant and machine. Plant and machine maintenance is the most important in part of industrial service. Okay, so next point is financial and economical impact of service. Financial and economical impact of service is the most important part of service marketing. So impact of service means that is service are growing sector in almost all the countries, okay, of the world. This sector is major responsible for the overall growth and development of the country's economy. So development of country's economics part of most important growth, development, profit and better service. So first one is generation of employment opportunity. What is in by generation of employment opportunity? That is, service industry has definitely given lot of employment opportunity. That is a requirement in the country. Okay, service is needed in almost every sector like tourism, communication, trade, marketing, manufacturing, and international technology and more. So many organizations are consider quality service to be their mission and vision. They are really working hard to render quality service is a most important part of customer. So next point is increasing the standard of living. That is, increasing the standard of living means due to increase in the service sector, okay, there has been a increase the employment opportunity as well as moreover due to the increase in the employment opportunity almost people there has been in cases that is increase the standard of living. So in the earning, that is income every wholesaler, okay. So next point is capital formation. What is meant by capital formation? Capital formation is the most important part of financial sector, okay. So service sector have been major player in providing employment opportunity, okay. Increase in income the standard of living of the people. What is this? They has by expand capital formation of the country, that is various area of the company are highly dependent on the service sector. They have seems images growth development and because of the growing service sector, that is country, one country to another country capital formation is the most important, that is as well as industry organization and company, okay. So next one is use of the environment friendly technology. Use of the environment friendly technology, that is service industry is one of the field which do not pollute or harm the environment of any way, okay. Thus it is known as the environment friendly technology. Service sector work closely only with the human resources and thus are harmless of the society. Environment is the most important part of service, that is boiler, water, air pollution in part of the environment friendly technology, okay. Next point is economical liberalization, that is most important point. The process of economic liberalization started in India in the year 1991, okay. Since there has been visible change in the overall business of the country. Even the multinational player were allowed the entire the Indian market, thus given further growth of the development to the country economical and trade system. It also created policy and opportunity to the India's to establishment their own business the expand future. So economical liberalization is the most important, that is the standard of living. So next point is migration. What is meant by migration? There has been a remarkable increase in the migration rate of the people for the rural and semi-urban area to the urban area, okay. Desire to the better job, better result and the rate of migration. This is turn lead the further expansion of the business like trade, transport and other services sector. Actually, both the factors work hand in hand to witness increased demand the placement and personal service the country. Okay, so migration is the most important, that is human life, urban area and rural area. Okay, so next point is export potential. Export potential is the most important part. India is considered one of the major exporter in the world. Okay, there are various service the India efforts to different country like insurance, banking, transport, tourism, data service, communication, construction, labor, accounting service, maintenance service, design engineering, education, entertainment, software service, healthcare and commercial service. The service sector has been expand the export potential of India. So last point is growth in population. What is meant by growth in population? Due to increase the opportunity in the employment sector. Okay, both the squares refer to work and earn decent, they refer. So the choose there the them professional and dedicated to completely due to which of the cannot the prefer. Do not have children. So this situation has actually give a lot growth in India population, which is the for dual income and no kids. So classification classification of the service and financial and economic impact of service, that is most important part of service marketing and introduction to service marketing. Okay, so thank you.